Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. It's Easter weekend. I don't have to work, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to go to Depot and pick up some material for that basement job that I'll be starting. It's on Wednesday, so I want to get the stuff in there today because I have help and I can't really lift right now. So I'm going to get them to help me out, and I'll see you guys at Depot. Get it. Hey guys, all right, I just left Depot. My helpers ended up showing up, helping me. I got Sean and Hakan.
All the way.
Say hi, guys. Guys, say hi.
Hi. We're in.
Hi. All right, so we're gonna load this stuff up. End up getting a couple doors too. Hakan, you're in it. Hakan.
I'm sorry, what?
Nothing.
Okay.
I'm just setting this up. Oh, they're taking like 50 at a time. Okay, I'm gonna go out here. We're going through all the wood there, and yeah, there's not, well, there's a lot of hockey sticks, I'll tell you that. Took a little while to get decent stuff. What I use for the bottom plate on the bottom, I use this 4-inch bridge seal gasket. Keeps the wood off the concrete. I staple it on and then bang it down. That's it for the wood. Just gotta throw the doors in and head off to the job to drop it off. Alright guys, we'll see you when we get there, I guess. It's nice having help, I'll tell you that. I'll be doing that all myself. Get it. We're backwards, so it's the same house as mine. Well, it has a window right here. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So if you just stack it here, we'll take this window out over here, just move this stuff, and then I have a drop sheet I'm going to put over the ledge of that. Perfect. Alright guys, we're just unloading stuff here. Hi Ash.
Hi.
She's helping as well. It's actually my neighbor that is getting this done. It's like a quarter of his basement job kind of thing. So on a Saturday. Come on guys! Sean's taking over, so that he's like, oh yeah, I'm the boss now, get out of my way. All right, we'll just continue doing this, and then I'll bring you inside, just show you the job. Okay guys, here we go. This is the job. He wants to finish this area here, just past this beam. This beam will be the wall, and then this will be a door. But you walk into a room, just kind of like a office kind of area, TV room kind of thing. There's the boys out there. We're gonna bring the wood right into here. Just pile it here, get everything kind of organized, so when I come, I can just... What's that?
You want this down here?
Yeah, leave it folded. We're just gonna put it over the window so we don't damage it.
Gotcha.
Alright guys, we're gonna start bringing some stuff down. And I'm gonna take this window out so we can get the wood in. Put you on time lapse or something.
Moving wood from a friend's dad. Dude, this ball came from Narnia. Whoa. Whoa. Hide. I don't know where to hide. I hope you know the camera's just filming you.
Open, so alright guys, so when I do a job in a finished house like this, try to eliminate the dust, I use this zipper like so. Now you just use your knife and cut that open. Right, Sean? There you go. Now you got a doorway. It's a good way for me to get in and out and keep the dust inside. And the zipper is shut. You're not using it. It's good to go. I'll be starting this on Wednesday, so. Oh, they got the window in and everything. Look at you guys. Perfect. This isn't a very hard job. It's just straight framing this whole wall. It's gonna be a bulk out here, and then bulkhead. This wall will come down. You'll see as I go. Anyways, Monday, Tuesday, I got a turn in London to do. Miss Ash is gonna actually help me with that, so that'll be fun. She's just gonna help me do anything I can't do, and she's also gonna clean the unit so it's all done. Don't like going to London for more than 2 days, so we'll get it done, and yeah, we'll see you guys then. Until then. Until then.
Get it.
Get it.
Pecan.
Get it.
What?
I don't know.
Come on. Get it.